In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks in ClickUp. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to efficiently manage and organize your tasks. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll first want to go to ClickUp. Simply open your web browser and enter the ClickUp URL, or click if you already have it bookmarked. Once you're on the landing page, if you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in and on the ClickUp dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the space where your tasks are situated. In ClickUp, spaces act as overarching containers for everything, from projects to individual tasks, providing you with a dedicated area to manage various elements of your workflow. Select the appropriate space by clicking on its name in the navigation menu on the left-hand side. If you're unsure about which space to choose, take a moment to identify the one that aligns with the project you're organizing. Next, within your chosen space, you'll see different lists. These lists help categorize your tasks by different projects or categories, making it easier to locate what you need. Select the list that holds the tasks you wish to group. By clicking on the list, you're effectively zooming in on a specific segment of your work. With the list open, your tasks will appear in a table-like format. You'll notice a checkbox next to each task name. Click on the box beside the task name that you want to include in a group. This allows ClickUp to recognize which tasks you're selecting for grouping. Now, with your tasks selected, look towards the bottom of the interface. Here, you should see an option that says Convert to Subtasks. Click on this option to start the grouping process. Grouping your tasks as subtasks can bring more structure and hierarchy to your project management, making it easier to tackle complex projects. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose where you want to place these tasks. This step is crucial as it helps you position the newly converted subtasks accurately within the right parent task. Click on the option that aligns best with your current project needs, ensuring everything is logically organized. Finally, once your tasks are grouped as subtasks, don't forget to assign members. Click on the assignee option to allocate each subtask to specific team members. This ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities and can efficiently work towards your project goals. And there you have it, a streamlined process to group tasks in ClickUp, enhancing your productivity and organization. By mastering these steps, you're on your way to maintaining a seamless and collaborative work environment.